Karadani Engineering proudly presents the Vulcunaizing Rubber Autoclave, a state-of-the-art solution designed to redefine rubber processing. Built with robust construction and cutting-edge technology, our autoclave ensures precise and uniform temperature and pressure distribution, delivering consistent and flawless vulcanization results every time. Available in customized sizes and capacities, it is tailored to meet the specific demands of diverse industries, including automotive, construction, and industrial manufacturing. Whether you're producing tires, conveyor belts, or mold rubber components, our autoclave guarantees superior quality and reliability. With a focus on durability, efficiency, and performance, Karadani Engineering continues to set benchmarks in innovation and excellence. Choose our vulcanizing rubber autoclave to elevate your production processes and achieve unparalleled results. Contact us today to